In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the Year Without a Summer in Europe and North America. Crops failed, and food shortages spread. But did you know this event inspired Mary Shelley to write Frankenstein? As the skies darkened, she and her friends, including Lord Byron, gathered in a villa in Switzerland. They challenged each other to write ghost stories. Shelley's tale of a scientist creating life from death was born from this eerie summer. How did a volcano halfway across the world spark a literary masterpiece? This eruption's impact on culture is still felt today.